This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending January 28th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is swing trading? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.08% on Friday and was up 1.81% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.25% on Friday and was up 2.47% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.95% on Friday and was up 4.32% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 11 up finishes versus 4 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, all the major indexes finished up. On Tuesday and Wednesday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. On Thursday and Friday, all the major indexes finished up again. New unemployment claims were 186,000. Core personal consumption expenditure increased 4.4% year over year. U.S. GDP rose 2.9% for the fourth quarter. Weekly mortgage demand jumped 7%. Digital currency group owned crypto exchange Luno laid off 35% of its staff, and El Salvador's president announced that El Salvador, where Bitcoin is legal tender, paid off a $800 million bond. New unemployment claims, core expenditures increasing year over year, GDP rising 2.9% in the fourth quarter, weekly mortgage demand jumping 7%, DCG crypto exchange Luno laying off 35% of its staff, and El Salvador paying off an $800 million bond are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the president, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now, we are at our question of the week. What is swing trading? Well, swing trading is a trading method that attempts to take advantage of short-term price movements by entering trades and holding them from a couple of days to several weeks. Traders use technical analysis to enter into positions, hold the positions until their technical analysis indicate that they should exit their positions, which is commonly more than a day, but no more than a few weeks. Swing trades can be made when stock prices are going up or down. A swing trader isn't concerned with the long-term direction of the market. Their objective is to be on the correct side of the trade in the short term to the medium term. Do you swing trade stocks, or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can, however, learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing, books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go. But you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending January 28th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was Editas Medicine Incorporated, ticker symbol EDIT. It's in the first column. It was up 5.51% on Friday and increased 18.88% for the week. Editas is a clinical stage genome editing company that focuses on developing transformative genomic medicines to treat a range of serious diseases at the genetic level. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Editas has increased almost 8% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash flow from Editas this week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System outperformed the S&P 500 Index ETF SPY in 2022, and after 4 weeks in 2023, the portfolio is outperforming the ETF again. The Southside portfolio is up 21.2% versus 6.08% up for SPY, a difference of 15.12%. The Southside is beating SPY by more than 15%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 3.74% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 5.05%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 2.48%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin gained 2.21% this past week, but continues to be in a bear market. It is down more than 66% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on 2 positions this week, 1 call and 1 put. That ranged from $35.35 to $46.35. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website SouthsideSchoolOfFinancialFreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are arranged in playlists levels 1, 2, and 3. The videos are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.